What's going on, everyone? So before you jump into today's video, first off, thank you so much for tuning back in. I know this title and thumbnail of this video is really exciting and you have a lot of questions. So pretty much the reason why I'm filming this part of the video right now is because I have edited the full video and you're about to watch that full video. So please do me a favor, watch the whole thing. There's so much information you guys need to hear in this. And this part of the video you're watching in the beginning is gonna make a lot more sense. So as I was saying, this whole video you are about to watch was already edited and I was just now wrapping it up. And that's when I actually received the text message from my father. We got the photos. It is a 100% go. Again, this whole video will explain everything. Just please, for the love of God, watch the whole thing and you will understand. Hope you guys enjoy. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in for Friday's video. You guys have been killing it this week and I can't thank you enough. This is actually gonna be our 5th upload in a row, and really quick, I just want you guys to take 2 seconds, drop a comment down below and let me know if you enjoy this. Like, I'm having so much fun, and within those 5 days, it almost feels like a routine. And you know, when you start to get into a routine, it starts to become habit, and to be honest, I think I can continue to do this. Many of you guys might know I have taken a break from Discount Tire to provide you guys content and, you know, strictly focus on the YouTube channel. And that's exactly why I'm also making this video today, because we have some huge news, as you can see from the title and thumbnail of this video. Whew, okay, so what I am gonna tell you is buckle up, get ready, grab some popcorn and stuff, because there's a lot of parts and a lot of things to this little video I have to share with you guys. Before we actually jump into the main part of this video, guys, sit tight. We do have a video sponsor, and today's video sponsor is gonna be no other than the legendary Ridge Wallets. As many of you guys might know, I have been partnered with Ridge Wallets for some time now, and honestly guys, this product has changed my life for the better. I used to carry around a big old bulky leather wallet, and you get in cars and you go sit down in my chairs and stuff like that. It got super uncomfortable, which would result in me taking out my wallet and setting it somewhere. And for all the guys that are watching this video right now, you know there's no worse feeling than misplacing your wallet, because literally our lives lie within this. So the people over at Ridge Wallets have actually started designing wallets specifically for automotive enthusiasts like myself, and possibly you guys watching this video right now. As you guys can probably tell, I do have an awesome forged carbon, and believe it or not, this is some real material. So guys, do me a huge favor, head to the link in the description, go check out Ridge Wallets, use promo code DBP Squad for 10% off your entire order. Go buy a Ridge Wallet and I promise you, you'll never look back. All right, so as I mentioned guys, there's gonna be a lot of different pieces to this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and just drop everything and explain every little bit to you so you're on the same page with me. Many of you might know this, many of you might not, but about 2 or 3 months ago, I'll say, I started making little videos based around the next project car. And you guys know I made one about the FOXBODY, made one about the SN95 body style, and the SN95 body style, also known as the New Edge. I made those 3 videos and told you guys that we have a project car coming, and those were pretty much the options. For those of you new here to the channel, this is my 2013 Grabber Blue Mustang GT, also known as Blucifer. And before I got this car, I actually had a 1999 Bright Atlantic Blue Mustang GT, also known as Blue. About a year ago, I had sold that car, and that was the channel's project car. So I sold it, I got this 2013. I love this car, you know, modified it, as you guys can see from right here. And if you are interested in seeing some of those modifications I've done on this car, in the description, I have every one of them listed with the video link, so you can go check those out. But this car right here did become the new mascot of the channel. Now, everything about that car I absolutely love, but I do miss one thing in particular, and that is having something older that requires work. For my OG subscribers and long-term fans, you guys know I had the video series Redo Blue, and that's literally where I went into every nook and cranny of that car and, you know, started modifying it. A lot of regular viewers of that video series absolutely loved it, including myself, because like I said, I got to work on a car, film it, add modifications to it, and it was just all hunky-dory. But when I got this new car, it wasn't necessarily that easy, and that's gonna be due to the fact of that car being just so new and not needing to be completely ripped apart. Many of you might be asking yourself, what does that have to do with today's video? This is where it gets a little confusing. So with those 3 videos I made deciding on the next project car, that is actually gonna be in partnership with a company. That is still 100% gonna happen, but that's gonna be pursued once I get into this house with this shop. You know, a big garage. This is kind of like a garage carport. I believe believe my dad is going to convert this into a garage at some point, but you know, I'm looking for a house that has a big garage. But yes, this partnership I am doing with this company is going to result in a project car. I'm just going to leave it at that. You guys still following? Because there's still more to this. And the next part of this is actually going to revolve around this Honda Accord, and you might ask why. So going back about 10, 11 years, my father actually picked up a 1991 Corvette. So my dad did have that Corvette for over 10 years. You know, he repainted it, put wheels on it, did some things in the interior and stuff, and you know, ultimately he just got super bored with it. So that's where this car is going to come into play. He actually traded the Corvette for this Honda Accord, and before you guys go and are like, what the hell, why did he do that? He really got bored with the Corvette. It was just sitting, you know, it had 50,000 miles on it, and the car wasn't getting driven at all. So some guy actually offered him this car in return for a straight trade, and you know, he obviously did it. That's where this car comes into play. But as soon as my father got rid of that Corvette for this car, he instantly got another car itch, and that's why I'm making this video. So the other night, my dad actually came to me and he was like, let's get a project car. Right there, I was 100% in because he actually showed me what car we should be going to pick up Monday. So fingers crossed, ladies and gentlemen, and you know, I'm gonna go into more details about this. It is gonna be a 50-50 partnership, so yes, I am putting money towards this project car. It's honestly such a great idea. It's an investment. I've been trying not to spend stupid amounts of money lately and, you know, be more responsible, but, you know, since it's gonna be a 50-50 partnership on this vehicle, and you guys are gonna love it, I'm just gonna say that, and it's gonna be awesome to have, like, a partnership build with my father. Like, that's like every kid's dream, I feel like. We are going to talk more about this, but I need to get going. I have to actually stop by the bank and grab the money for the project car because I think this weekend banks are going to be closed. So that would be no bueno, and I'm really excited about this. Trying to get this project car Monday, there's a few things that are kind of in the way right now. You know, the car, it's kind of old. It has 88,000 miles on it, which is awesome, but we're currently waiting on photos of the rest of the car because it's actually in North Carolina and it's 4 hours away. So we're not trying to haul a car trailer all the way there just to look at the car and, you know, waste 8 hours a day if it's not good. So that's one thing we're waiting for tonight, which we should have the answer. What I should say is we should have the photos tonight, and that's gonna be, you know, our ticket. If everything checks out, you know, underneath the car and stuff like that, then we are heading there Monday, 6 a.m. So I'm so excited about that. But, you know, other than that, guys, I have photos of the car. I'm not going to say or show you what it is because that kind of ruins this whole entire surprise. And another thing about this is like, I don't want to hype it up so much. I do have to be completely transparent with you guys, though, and let you know what's going on. And it's just unfortunate because sometimes in life, things don't work out. As of right now, the way it sits, it's about a 90% chance we're getting it. Like I said, that last 10% is going to be whether or not these photos check out. But I think it's gonna be okay. I'm in good hope, good spirit about this. I got a feeling it's meant to be, and it's just so exciting to me because, like I said, this is gonna be a father and son build, and you know, my dad and I have talked about it. He knows, you know, this whole YouTube thing is my job. It's my pride and joy. And if I introduce a car to the channel, it has to be a 50-50 partnership. It can't, you know, just sit underneath the carport or sit wherever and not get worked on and not get footage, because I know you guys are gonna want content on this vehicle, and I'm gonna want to work and make content on this vehicle. So, you know, we've talked about that. We're all on the same page when it comes to that. And, you know, it's just a waiting game now, just waiting on these photos. And guys, we might have a new project car come next week, which is super exciting. I do want to say, if we get this car Monday, don't expect the reveal Monday, because I'm gonna have to do some filming and editing this weekend so I have Monday's upload ready, because I do plan on dropping 5 videos again next week. If we buy it, don't worry, next week you will have a review video, and we're just gonna jump on into a project. I can't quite remember if I discussed this with you guys already, but if we get this project car, we do have another Project Mustang coming in the near future once I get this house. So this actually might be insane, and you know, this was totally unplanned, but since my dad got rid of that Corvette, you know, he's been talking, just wanting to build a car, and like I said, I'm 100% in. Tell you what, this bank drive-through stuff is a real pain in the butt. I just can't wait for life to be back to normal. Appreciate it, thank you. All right, guys, project car money is acquired, and we are good to go. Let's just not curb my wheel now. Oh, so sketchy. Hate that so much. I just completely screwed myself. I'm driving with my windows down. All the pollen from the front of the car is just coming and smacking me right in the face, and I have terrible allergies as it is, so this is gonna be fun. I tell ya, they do not play games. Let's see what Mr. Joel is up to. If anybody got the haircut connection here in Richmond, please reach out. I feel like a freaking troll. We did knock some of it off, not all of it. Oh my gosh, holy, look at this. That is like, and we're breathing this in, guys. This is terrible. So, Lucifer, how do you feel about having a potentially baby brother? Let's see if we can find this man. Oh, jeez, dude. You scared the living.
Gotcha.
My heart literally just skipped a beat. So, man, guess what I just got done doing?
What'd you do?
I just picked up the money for the project car.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they don't know what it is yet, but hopefully Monday. Yeah, right? So we're supposed to be going Monday, 6 a.m., going to pick it up. It's a 4-hour drive there, 4-hour back. You know, it is going to be a full day's worth, but you know what it is. You saw it.
I do know what it is.
I think it's going to be pretty sick. I'm
be different.
just hoping everything goes in as planned, but my life is currently complete right now. This is gonna be amazing. Well, guys, I did just get done eating my food. Feel amazing now, but you know, I don't want to go ahead and drag this video out any longer than it needs to be. You know, just filming this video right now has gotten me so excited and starting to feel like the old times, especially if we do end up getting this car Monday. It's gonna be amazing, guys. I can honestly say that and just take my word for it. You know, you guys saw I got the money ready. My dad and I are in total agreement. Just waiting on the guy to send the rest of the photos over. We got in contact with him again yesterday. So tonight, when you're watching this video, around the time I post this, we should have the answer. And I hope it's the answer I'm looking for. I really do, because, you know, I want to bring you guys that kind of content again. You know, this car right here has been such a blessing. I can honestly say, like, I don't regret this whatsoever. Do I miss blue? 100%. But what you guys are looking at right here is literally my dream, okay? And the reason why I say it's my dream is not because of the car. The car itself isn't my dream, but this has been so much hard work and dedication, so many ups and downs in life. And, you know, I've been on YouTube since 2016, and all I had was a $5,000 two-valve. I never had a car or could even think of affording a car like this. You know, I was working at Jersey Mike's full-time, 40 hours a week, making $9 an hour. Barely made enough money to put any kind of modifications onto blue. And, you know, one day picked up the camera, started making automotive videos and stuff, and here we are, guys. Like, I got a freaking awesome car, an amazing fan base. My mental health is better than it ever has been. You know, I think I've figured out this whole thing about you work hard and great things come. And it's, you know, you hear a lot of successful people tell you that, and you see what they got, Lamborghinis and shit, and you're like, oh yeah, of course, how cliche. But it's for real, guys. Even if you're on a smaller level, you know, I remember the first time I hit 100 subscribers. Like, I posted a video about hitting 100. This week, we just passed 110,000 people. So mind-blowing. So, you know, I hope all this comes together Monday. I really do, because it's just gonna be like the old days. And don't think for 1 minute I don't miss making those kind of videos, modification projects, you know, ripping shit apart. But in the long run, I do know what you guys want to see. You want to see some automotive content, as in building a project, and you know, I'm gonna do my best to get that to happen. Unfortunately, not all of us are born with a silver spoon in our mouth, and you guys know that. I did read a subscriber's comment the other day on one of my videos saying, you're the best automotive YouTuber because you're so relatable, and that's exactly what my goal here is. I'm not here to fluff anything up. And today's DVP vlog shout out is going out to 2VAR. Make sure you guys go check them out on Instagram. If any of you guys want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DVP Squad in all your posts. Well, guys, that is gonna be it. Hopefully Lucifer's sibling will be here Monday, and again, be ready for next week. If it happens, I'm gonna let you know. If it doesn't, I'm gonna let you know, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what we were gonna get. But fingers crossed, fam. Drop a comment down below what car you think it is, and I'll see you next week. But until next time, we'll see you later.